So in terms of adding and subtracting radicals, I wanted to start this off by saying that you know that you can add and subtract what we call like terms, like 6x plus 2x. You know that. That's no surprise to you. And 5y minus 3y. You know that. No surprises there. Think about that. Can you add 6x plus 3y? No, you can't add those. So you cannot do anything with this. This is already simplified. So the same is true for something like this. If you have 2 radical 3 plus 3 radical 3, you know that that's 5 radical 3. It's a collection of a certain number of radical 3's. Just like 5 radical 2 minus 4 radical 2 is only 1 radical 2. And same thing, you can't combine these. Those are 2 different terms. It's already simplified. So you're not going to go any further with that. Now, sometimes problems are disguised. In other words, radical 6 plus radical 24. You might look at this and you might say, oh, you can't do anything with it. I hope you don't look at that and think that that equals radical 30. You cannot do that. That is not legal. You need to try to break these down into maybe a perfect square and a leftover that allows us to write this problem so it has like terms. See, it was written as radical 24, but I was just able to change the way it looked to turn it into 2 radical 6. And you can add 2 radical 6 plus radical 6. That equals 3 radical 6. Same is true down here. If you want to pause the video and try it by yourself, you can. I can't do anything with that, but I know that 45 breaks down into 9 and 5, and I know radical 9 is equal to 3, so I know that this is 12 radical 5, and if I want to add it to 3 radical 5, I would get 15 radical 5. That's all, kids. I don't think I have anything on the back. Nope.